Hello, hope you all are doing well, keeping safe. My name is Web of Keswani, your image and style expert. और इस चैनल पे मैं बात करता हूँ फैशन, स्टाइल, ग्रूमिंग एक्सेट्रा से रिलेटेड. And I'm really grateful to all of you because again you've helped me achieve another milestone, which is reaching 50k subs on this YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for being a part of this family, and with every milestone that we achieve, that this community achieves, मुझे ऐसा लगता है जो मेरा motive है to make you all look more stylish, make you all more confident and help you become a better version of yourself, वो कहीं ना कहीं पूरा हो पा रहा है. And I'm truly grateful and happy about it. And similarly आज एक level हम और ज़्यादा stylish होने वाले हैं because in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 hairstyles which are perfect for various occasions. Now first hairstyle is going to be about more casual day-to-day hairstyle but a very stylish one. Second one is going to be about a very formal setup, a very sleek and a classy hairstyle. And the last one, believe you me, it's going to be something really sexy. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And well, our partner for this video is USTRAA. USTRAA's team has sent me their newly launched hairstyling kit, which was also the inspiration of this video. It includes a hair wax and a hairspray. Now I've used it for a couple of times and it is really good. Hold तो अच्छा देता ही है for a great style, but साथ ही साथ उसमें कोई harmful chemicals नहीं है जैसे petroleum, paraffins, mineral oil, etc. And the best part is that both these products have apple cider vinegar. तो styling के साथ साथ they have taken care of the nourishment of our hair as well. Without any further ado, let's get into the styling part. First hairstyle is a Quiff, a modern day hairstyle which is very stylish and super trendy. Now this hairstyle is a high volume hairstyle with a lot of textures to play around. और सबसे बढ़िया बात यह है कि that this hairstyle is suitable for most of the face shapes. Before starting with the styling procedure, make sure you wash your hair thoroughly so that there is no residual product or oil in your hair or scalp. Start with blow drying your hair in the direction of your choice. It can be left or right. और साथ में make sure that you use a round brush जिससे hair में volume add होगी और उनकी direction भी lock हो जाएगी. Once they are dry and the framework of your hairstyle is complete, take a decent quantity of USTRAA hair wax and according to the length of your hair, start applying it from back to sides and spread it well throughout your hair. The wax is matte, so it is going to give your hair a lot of texture. Now finally, to lock in the hairstyle, apply the hairspray. Now before moving on to the next hairstyle, I'm going to clean my hair. There's no need of shampoo to remove USTRAA hairstyling kit since it is completely water soluble. Now next hairstyle is a modern side part. It is a very classic and a sleek hairstyle perfect for formal occasions according to me. Irrespective आप ऑफिस जा रहे हैं या फिर घर से ही Zoom meeting attend कर रहे हैं, I'm pretty sure आपके बाल तो हर जगह दिखते ही होंगे. So you need to make sure that they are well groomed and they are very crisp. Now to start with the styling, take out a partition on your preferred side. सेंटर में प्लीज मत रखना पार्टीशन बिकॉज राधे बहुत ही बड़ी फ्लॉप थी एंड सो इज सेंटर पार्टिंग. However, don't take it to the extreme end either. Use a basic comb and not a brush because we do not really need a lot of texture for this one. Finally, apply the wax and fix your hair with a spray. The hold of this spray is very strong, so it will give you a very neat and a crisp look जैसा एक side part में चाहिए होता है. Coming to the sexiest of all hairstyles, a modern pompadour. Now the main idea is to pull your hair back from the center and give a lot of volume and bounce so that it looks very chic and premium. Now definitely you would need a good length, approximately 6 to 8 inches to start with to achieve the right hairstyle. Traditionally pompadours में बहुत ही ज़्यादा length होती थी, even in the sides, in the back, etc. But in today, in the modern times, even the sides and backs are short. Now to start with, use a wide teeth comb instead of a hairbrush because this hairstyle is again very neat and does not have a lot of texture required. Use a blow dryer to pull your hair back and let there be some volume and finally fix the look with the wax and spray. इतनी हेयर स्टाइलिंग करने के बाद आई डू गेट वरीड अबाउट माई हेयर, बट नॉट विद USTRAA's hair styling kit, because it is so good, not just from the styling part but also from the hair care perspective. There are few important points that you must remember while you're styling your hair. Firstly, before using any heat procedure or hair dryer, make sure that you use a pre-styler. Secondly, कभी भी आप वैक्स की क्वांटिटी बहुत ज़्यादा मत लीजिएगा, because otherwise आपके बाल बैठ जाएंगे. Start with a decent quantity because you can always add it later on. Last but not the least, before going to the bed, make sure you wash your hair. अगर आप भी ऐसे multiple hairstyles try करना चाहते हो, then you should definitely try out this hair styling kit. Now I personally like the hold, the longevity, and the best part, the ease to wash it off, and I truly believe that you should give it a try to this hair styling kit. You can use my code WEBOF20 to get an additional 20% off on this hair styling kit. ये kit Amazon पे भी available है. सारे के सारे links मैंने description में already दे दिए हैं. I really hope you learned something new from this video. You're gonna try some real new hairstyles and you enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay stylish.